Programming a key fob for your 2019 Ram 1500 is achievable as a DIY project, but it requires specific tools and knowledge. You'll need a compatible key fob, either OEM or aftermarket operating at 314 MHz, and an OBD2 scanner with Stellantis-specific software, such as the Autel MaxiSys. Manual programming methods, like cycling the ignition, often fail. The vehicle employs a rolling code system for security, so programming requires the vehicle's PIN, which you can obtain from a dealer or using a key programmer. Stellantis has enhanced key fob encryption to prevent unauthorized cloning. They also released firmware updates in 2024 for 2019-2022 models to address potential vulnerabilities. Start by entering your 2019 Ram 1500 with a working key or fob. Connect an OBD2 scanner to your vehicle and use it to access the body control module. Use the software to enter programming mode, input the vehicle's PIN, and sync the new fob by pressing its buttons as prompted. Test the fob's functions like lock, unlock, panic, and remote start. This process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. If using manual methods, disconnect the battery first. Be cautious to avoid voiding warranties or causing malfunctions.